Okay guys, today we have a 2006 BMW 325i. This is a window regulator replacement. The rear passenger window has given out, so we're going to replace the whole assembly plus the motor. You can purchase them separately, but in this case we're going to do the motor and the assembly at the same time. Stay tuned. Once you push the clip out with the Sharpie and you wedge it back, you can wiggle it out and the window will pop off the clip. You just slide the clip down with your hands. Take out each nut that's on those studs. One, and then there's one here that just came out, and then one off the bottom down there. And you're gonna push it through. And the bottom piece is gonna slide that way towards the hinge. And this one is gonna rotate towards the edge of the door so you can pop it out. I need two hands for this. So this clip right here is at the bottom, and we got to bring it all the way up to here so we can throw the clip through that hole that you see there and make sure that clips go in front and behind the window on each side. Let's see if we can bring it up some. So we'll just bring that up nice and slow till it meets up to the